we can get administrative warrants to enforce administrative immigration law. Now, it's possible, I guess, that the courts will say no, and of course, if the courts say no, we would follow that law, but nobody is talking about doing immigration enforcement without a warrant. We're talking about different types of warrants that exist in our system.
Americans are 10 times more likely to wind up before an administrative judge than a federal court. And in these administrative judges, they play prosecutor and judge. And how different is that from the federal judiciary, and why is it increasing so much on the regulatory and the executive side?
Yeah. So, what are administrative judges? How might you encounter them? If you're regulated like Marty Hahn, for example, the magician, and you are prosecuted by the agency, many of them have the opportunity, rather than to bring their charges against you in court, they can bring them before their own employees, okay? For example, the magician, and you are prosecuted by the agency. Many of them have the opportunity, rather than to bring their charges against you in court, they can bring them before their own employees, okay? For civil matters, if they want just money from you, just money, right? Or to close your business, or to take away your license, right? Your livelihood. They call themselves administrative law judges. We used to call them hearing officers, but now they like to wear robes. And
once again, Black's Law, 4th edition. I want you to notice that you have administration, administration expense, administration of estates, which it says right there that is supervision by an executor or administrator. I want you to notice something. Administrative suit, discretion, board, agency, acts, officer, law, remedy, administrator. There's no thing as administrative judges. Now, we go to judge. Alright. To administer the law is the only place that anywhere near administrate comes in here. There's nothing in here about administrative judges. So what you have is a de facto judge. Oh, and let's take it one step further. We're going to look under warrants. Let's see if there's an administrative warrant. Let's see. What kind of warrants do we have? We have bench warrants. You have death warrants. You have distress, dividend, general, land, landlord, warrant of arrest, attorney, bankruptcy, commitment, mercantability, officers, warrant, sue and defend. Oh yeah, no administrative warrants. That's because administrators can't issue a fucking warrant because dead people aren't wanted. And as I pointed out earlier, in the most usual sense of the word, is a person to whom letters of administration that is an authority to administer the estate of a deceased person. A deceased person.